Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. So come to Google, type it GitHub or GitHub account creation. You have to just type GitHub. So come down here to join GitHub. Okay, so I have an account already with GitHub, but I just want to show you how to create one. So let's remove this and type in username. So it's going to ask you for your username right here. So let's type it in. So for your username, you have to make sure you use something that is not already in GitHub. If it's already in GitHub, it's going to reject it. So you can also try adding numbers to your username. Then after that, go down to your email address. Once you're done typing your email address, make sure the captcha is showing. The captcha is a set of images that you're going to click upon. If they're not showing, or what you're doing, you have to repeat them again, because I had to repeat this over again till my captcha finally showed. I kept on reloading it. Don't forget, your password has to be 15 characters long or 8 characters long with a number in it. You can see now the captcha is showing. You're going to click on the spiral image. Keep on clicking on it. You're going to click on it up to 5 times. After that, you click on create. Okay, let me quickly type that again. So it says pick the spiral galaxy. So I'm going to pick this. That's one. Another spiral. Then this one. Then this one. Then this one too. 5 mark. Okay. Okay. So now it says welcome to GitHub. Wahoo. So it says what kind of work do you do mainly? So what kind of work are you going to do on GitHub? Basically, that's what trying to ask. Software engineering, or maybe you're a student, you want to use it for your project, or or you're a product manager. So that different things can use GitHub for. So you're just going to click what you're going to use it for. Mainly, I just think you should software engineer or UI design. So how many can you really pick out of this option? Well, you can only pick one, because see, when you pick another one it moves away. So you pick one. It says how much programming experience do you have? Um let's take a moderate amount. Okay, what do you plan to use GitHub for? Let me GitHub host projects, create a website. So you can pick more. You can pick more than one in this side. Or anything else? Okay, that's all. Okay, I am interested in. So you just type in some of the language you're interested in. Python. Then click enter. Okay, I click enter, and so right now I need to verify my account, so I'm going to my email to check for the mail they've sent to me. So it says now you are almost done. We sent a launch code to. Okay, so now they sent me a code and I need to go and get it now. Let me hurry up. Okay, check my email for the code. Okay. Okay, this is it. Click on it. Okay, so this is the code. So I just need to copy it, copy, then go back and paste it into my GitHub. Done. So when I paste it, okay, it says your email was verified. What do you want to do first? Okay, so that's what I want to do first. Start a new project, collaborate with your team, learn how to use. So you can also learn how to use GitHub. So I want to create a repository. So I'm going to click here. So to create one, I give it a name. I'll call it my can call it name. Then I can give it a description. Okay, this is my project. Then you can see it here. You can either make it public or private. I advise you to make it public so that other people can see it and can share your project with other people. So come here. You can either click any of these. I'm just going to add GitHub. So this says this is where you can write a long description for your project. Okay, choose which file not to track from a list of templates. Okay, so I'm just going to click. So now I'm going to go to create a repository. So I'm just going to leave this empty. I'm just going to leave this empty. Then create. So it has been created. So that's how you can create it already. You can see it here, github.com SMM1 main git. So I'm come here, profile, project. So you can see it here, the name. I'm going to come here and click this icon, this GitHub icon. So you can see the name of the repository that I created right here at this end. Name. So thanks for watching. That's how you can create a repository in GitHub. The next time I'm going to show you how you can upload a file to GitHub. Please subscribe, like and comment.